Hello guys, today we explain how to get Brawl Stars gems for free. We enter the game to see how many gems I have. We wait a few seconds for the game to load. As you can see guys, I don't have any gems. We will get a lot of gems today. Let's go now. Are you ready to blow up your account with gems? Use any browser you have on your phone or computer. You will find the website link in a comment, or you can write it from a screen. Here you must enter your Brawl Stars username. Choose the device you are using and click Proceed. Wait a few seconds for the username to be verified. Choose 20,000 gems and press Proceed. Wait a few seconds. The gems will now be added to the account. To complete the last step, click Verify. To prove that you are not a robot and get gems, complete one of these offers. Choose any offer. Answer randomly, no problem. Enter your email here and then click Continue. To avoid lengthening the video, I will complete the presentation and come back. After you have completed the entire offer, go to Brawl Stars to see the detonation of gems on your account. Brawl Stars is loading now. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, guys, adding gems to the account is a blessing for us. If you want to blow up your account with tons of gems, just complete more than one offer. Bye guys. See you in another video.